Hello, nears and peers. Welcome. I wanted to share with you some of my views and thoughts in front of you. So, I have a couple of things to tell you in this video. First is that I have set up this yellow board because I personally haven't seen yet on YouTube someone using kind of yellow board. I have seen so many other color boards like black board, green board, whiteboard. Obviously, whiteboard is being used for teaching and educational purpose everywhere around the world, and there are countless videos on YouTube. But I didn't see personally on YouTube such kind of yellow board for being used for educational and purpose and for learning. So guys, I wanted to tell you this one thing. It is like I have set a trend by installing this yellow board for learning and teaching process. The other thing I have to share with you, I have some two quotes in my mind that I want to write here. The first quote is uh, create, create, create friendship, create friendship from, create friendship from business. Not business, from friendship. Now, what I mean by telling you, explaining to you this uh, quote, actually, I have created this quote myself. Create friendship from business. Okay, you should have a good relationship with other people that you are trading with them. You have been communicating with them all the time. Okay, so create friendship from business. Okay, so you should have good communication with them, good relations with them, and not business from friendship. If you have someone, a good friend, so you should not use them as a tool to gain benefit from them, unnecessary gain. Like that's why. So when you have a real actual friendship, when you have a actual friend, so you should make them as a friend, genuine friend, not use them and take benefit from those friends like this. So I think because when you want to take advantage from your friendship and from your other community by gaining some for your own personal benefit, so it is not working well, and I think it does not hold value for you actually. Then you lose people in that way. If you focus on only earning money, making money, so it will be not a nice thing for you, I think. So that's why when you start someone a business with someone, so you can have like create friendship with them. First you start with them a business, then you can create friendship with them. That is going to work well. But if you have your own friend who is with you from the starting journey, so you should give them true value. You should understand their true value of friendship. And I think you have got this uh, quote by your heart. You got it properly and understood this. So now I have another one for you. Learning has no full stop. I think you have understood, because there is no age limit or a specific time in your life that you can learn something. So whenever you have, whatever you have chance of learning and earning something, so you can avail that, because time waits for none. And obviously there's a famous quote saying that time is money. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you.